Hello. In this lesson we are going to learn how to assign or allocate a source of supply to a purchase requisition that already has been created in the SAP system. So let's begin by navigating the SAP menu path and go first to logistics, then click on materials management, go to purchasing, go to purchase requisition, click on follow on functions. For this lesson, transaction ME56 assign will be used by the requisitioner to assign a source of supply. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction ME56. The initial screen shows a wide selection of variables to create a list of purchase requisitions for vendor assignments. To search for a particular material number, select the material field, then click on the search icon. In the material description, let's start with typing star 10W30 star and hit the enter key to confirm. Let's select the first material on the list, double click on it, click on the execute icon, the transaction will return a number of relevant purchase requisition based on that search criteria. Let's go and select the first purchase requisition in the list. You have the choice to have the vendor assigned to the purchase requisition automatically. You could do that by clicking on this assign automatically button. So let's go ahead and select that. You have a number of vendors being selected automatically for this PR. If you want to learn more about the vendors selected for this PR, click on the vendor evaluation, the one right here. The 5 vendors were ranked based on certain criteria: price, delivery, quality, service and support. So let's go ahead and click on the back icon. Select now the vendor that ranked number 1, vendor of choice for this PR, and then press the continue to confirm. The selected vendor will appear as a green row underneath the PR. It indicates that this vendor was assigned automatically for this PR. You can also assign the source vendor manually using the assign manually button right here. Please keep in mind that when assigning the source to the purchasing requisition manually, a dialog box appears that allows you to enter the vendor. So let's go ahead and select the second PR and click on assign manually button. In the vendor field, enter 1120, and in the purchasing or purchasing organization, enter 1000. Click on the assign source of supply. Notice the row highlighted in the light green for the manual selection of the vendor. The dark green, this vendor was assigned automatically for this PR. The light green, it indicates this vendor was assigned manually for this PR. To save your work, you just click on the save button to confirm the assignment of source of supply, or you just go ahead and exit this screen, clicking on the exit button and say no to save. For this lesson, I'm not going to save what I have assigned as a source of supply. So let's go ahead and click on no. You have successfully concluded this lesson and you have learned how to assign a source of supply for a purchase requisition. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, you could go back again and review the material one more time.